We all live our lives by the Gregorian calendar, Monday to Sunday, January to December. It's how we track our meetings, our birthdays, and our goals. But what if I told you that long before the 12-month calendar or Western astrology touched the soil, our ancestors already had a system that was arguably deeper, more balanced, and literally tied to the universe? I'm talking about the Igbo calendar, the Izu system. For the Igbo people, time was never just a linear line of numbers. It was a cycle, a rhythm. Most of us just hear Eke, Orie, Afor, Nkwo and think, oh, those are just days people go to buy pepper in the village. But guys, it is so much more than that. Number 4 is sacred in Igbo cosmology. It represents balance. These 4 days aren't just markers of time. They are tied to the 4 cardinal points and the 4 elements of nature. Let us break it down so you can see the flex in our culture. First up, Eke. If you are born on Eke, or if it's an Eke day, you are dealing with fire. Eke represents the east, where the sun rises. It is the first day of beginnings, creativity, and power. It's even linked to Amadioha. If you're looking to start a business or a project, Eke is the day for it. Then we have Orie, or Oye. Orie is the element of water and represents the west. Think about it this way. The sun sets in the west. So Orie is for reflection, purity, and healing. It's a calmer day. It's for resolving beef, spiritual cleansing, and honoring the goddess Idemili. If Eke is the fire, Orie is the cool water that brings balance. Next is Afor. Afor is earth. It represents the north. This is the day of stability and nourishment. It is deeply tied to Allah, the earth goddess. In the old days, and even now, this was a day for serious farming and planning. It's about being grounded. If you want something to last, you anchor it on Afodi. Finally, Nkwo. Nkwo is air and it represents the south. It's the day of communication, intellect, and movement. This is why Nkwo markets are usually the loudest and the busiest. It's where the gist flows, ideas are traded, and people connect. It's about growth and progress. The coolest part is this system literally shapes who we are. Think about our names. We have Okeke, Nkwo, Mbafo, Oj. These aren't just local names. They are spiritual timestamps connecting people to the energy of the day that they were born. So while the world is busy looking at the stars for direction, our ancestors were looking at the earth, the fire, the water, and the air. So next time you hear Eke, Orie, Afor, Nkwo, don't just think of a market cycle. Think of a 4-dimensional map of the universe that our people mastered centuries ago. So let's find out where everyone stands. Drop your birthday or your Igbo elements in the comments and tag a friend or a family member to see if they know theirs. And if you enjoyed this, please like and share this video so more of us can appreciate the genius of our culture. I'll be in the comments seeing who is Team Fire and who's Team Earth. See ya!